everyone and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss phrasal verbs that start with C. So let's get started. So let's move towards our first phrasal verb, that is call at. Call at means to stop at a specific place briefly, whether it is a harbor, a port, or a specific station. Observe the sentence construction here. The coaster calls at New York and Massachusetts on the way to the capital. Here the meaning of this phrasal verb is coming evident as it is elaborating the meaning quite clearly, that the coaster stops briefly at New York and Massachusetts on the way to the capital. Hence this meaning is clear. Now let's move towards our second phrasal verb, that is call back. Call back means to return a phone call. It is a most commonly used phrasal verb in daily conversations. So let's observe the sentence construction here. I'll call you back when I will reach home. It means a specific person that is on the call with another person is telling him that he will call him back when he will reach home. I hope the meaning is clear, so let's move forward. Our third phrasal verb is call forth. Call forth means to produce a reaction or result or to evoke something. Observe the sentence construction here. The senator's statement called forth a hostile reaction from the crowd. Here the senator has given some sort of statement that has called for, that means that has produced a reaction which was hostile in the crowd. Now the meaning is clear. Let's move towards our fourth phrasal verb, that is call off. Call off means to cancel something. Observe the sentence construction here. The meeting was called off because of the rain. The meaning is quite clear of this phrasal verb, that the meeting was cancelled because of the rain. So let's move forward. Our fifth phrasal verb is call on or call upon. Call on and call upon will have the similar meanings. So let's observe the meaning. It means formally request or invite someone. Observe the sentence construction here. I now call upon the principal to address the students. Here a specific addresser is calling the principal to come on the stage. So this phrasal verb call upon is giving us the meaning of formally requesting or formally inviting the principal to address the students. Let's move towards our sixth phrasal verb, that is call out. Call out means to shout something. Observe the use in the sentence. The mother called out the name of her lost child. It means the mother was so worried that they shout out the name of her lost child. Hence the meaning is clear. Let's move forward. Our seventh phrasal verb is carry over. Carry over means to postpone until later. Observe the sentence use. As regards vacation, we can carry over days from one year to the next. Here the speaker is saying that they can postpone the vacation until the next year. I hope the meaning of carry over is clear now, as it means to postpone until later. So let's move towards our other phrasal verb, that is catch up on. Catch up on means to acquire information you have missed. Observe the sentence construction here. I must call my friend to catch up on the latest event. It means the speaker has missed some information, so she is saying that she will call her friend to acquire the information that she has missed about the latest events. Let's move forward. Let's move towards our ninth phrasal verb, that is check in. Check in means to register at a hotel or an airport. Observe the sentence construction here. For security reasons, they have to check in 3 hours before their flight. As the meaning of this phrasal verb is evident, that for some security reason, a specific family has to register at an airport, means to check in 3 hours earlier before their flight. So hence the meaning is clear. Let's move towards our last phrasal verb, that is check out. Check out means to pay one's bill and leave a hotel. Observe the sentence construction here. Mr. Brown has checked out from the hotel. It means that Mr. Brown has paid his bill and has left the hotel. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.